Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to the class. Myself, Bhagyashree Joshi from Sankalp Learning Solutions. Yes, dear students, in the last class only we have started the topic triangles, right? And also we saw some examples and MCQ questions and 2 marks questions, right? Today, we will start with the next questions, that is 3 marks and 4 marks, 5 marks questions, okay? Yes. So in this topic, we are going to study about the similar figures. Okay. In the last class only, we have discussed what do you mean by similar figures, similar triangles, right? Okay. For that, two conditions are there. One is two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if all the corresponding angles are equal and all the corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion. Then only we can say that two triangles are or two polygons are similar. Okay. Generally, what do you mean by similar figures? Similar figures are same in shape but differ in size. Okay. They have different size but same shape. Okay. That figures we call it as a similar figures, right? So, in case of triangles, all corresponding angles are equal and all corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion, then only we can call that two triangles are similar triangles. Okay, these two conditions are very, very important. Next, again one theorem. That means one important theorem is there in this chapter, that is basic proportionality theorem. This theorem popularly known as Thales theorem, right? BPT, basic proportionality theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. This is the statement of the theorem. And converse of BPT. Converse of BPT means if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side, right? Okay, this is converse of BPT. This is also very important. And also we discussed about some criteria, that is AAA criteria, angle criteria. If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Hence, the two triangles are similar. Okay. This criteria, we call it as a AAA criteria. That is angle criteria, right? And another one criteria, that is yes criteria. These all are theorems. Okay. If two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. This criteria, we call it as a AA similarity criteria. Here two angles are equal and corresponding side is equal. Okay. So, AA similarity criteria for two triangles. Yes criteria. If in two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to the side of other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence the two triangles are similar. That means corresponding sides are equal, then corresponding angles are also equal. So this criteria, we call it as yes criteria. That is side criteria. Okay. Next, if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle and the sides including these triangles, these angles are proportion, then the two triangles are similar. This we call it as a yes. If corresponding sides including one angle, that we call it as a yes criteria. Side criteria. Okay. Yes. And also we solved some multiple choice questions. Okay. Yes. So illivargu now solve madidvi alva. Today we will start with the next problem, that is yes. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersect CD at F. Show that a triangle ABE is similar to CFB. Okay. My dear students, observe carefully. Here one diagram is there. Okay. What they have given in the question is E is a point on the side AD. Where is E? E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD if BE intersect CD, if BE intersect CD at point F, show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Okay. So for that, what we are going to do is, ನಾವೇನಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಟೂ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, so in triangle ABE and CFB they have given, we will consider that two triangles only. In triangle ABE and triangle CFB, okay, see, observe carefully, ABE and CFB anta kottidare. Okay, here A is equal to C. See here, illond angle ide. Here one angle is there. That means A is equal to C. These two angles are equal. A is equal to C. Okay, these two angles are equal. That means these two are opposite angles of a parallelogram. So in parallelogram, opposite angles are equal and opposite sides are also equal. So opposite angles are equal and opposite sides are equal, right? ABCD is a parallelogram. Here A and C are opposite angles. B and D are also opposite angles. Therefore, A is equal to C we will consider. Okay. A is equal to C. This is opposite angles of a parallelogram. Opposite angles of a parallelogram, right? Of a parallelogram. A, B, C, D. Next. See, if AE is parallel to CB. Yes, observe here. AE is parallel to BC. AE is parallel to BC. Then, ಇದು ಹೇಗಾಗತ್ತೆ? AE is parallel to BC ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is like Z shape. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದು Z shape ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Z shape ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ these two angles are equal. These angles we call it as alternate angles. Okay. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal. So Z shape ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೂ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟೂ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಅಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ A is equal to B. These two are alternate angles here. That means angle AEB is equal to angle CBF. E and B are alternate angles. So condition is, reason is, when AE is parallel to BC, okay, AE is parallel to BC, E and B are alternate angles. Are alternate angles, right? Alternate angles are equal. Therefore, these two angles are equal. See, observe carefully how many angles are equal. A is equal to C, that means one angle, and E is equal to B, second angle. Two angles are equal, right? If in a triangle, two angles are equal, then we can say that by using AA property, AA criteria, we can say that by AA criteria, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Okay, which two triangles? AA criteria of a similar triangle, of a similarity or similar triangles, we can say that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Okay, yes. How can you say these two triangles are similar? By using AA criteria. So AA means E is equal to B and A is equal to C. These two angles are equal. Then by AA criteria, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Okay, this question can be asked for 2 marks. Next. In figure, E is a point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC. if AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC, prove that ABD is similar to ECF. Okay. Yes. So, which triangle they have given here? ABC is a isosceles triangle. So, in isosceles triangle, how many sides and how many angles are equal? Two sides and two angles are equal. Yes or no? Solution. Here is a ABC is an isosceles triangle, right? Isosceles triangle. Yes. ABC is a isosceles triangle. Next, in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. That means AB is equal to AC. Two sides equal irutte isosceles triangle alli. Okay. AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC and two angles are also equal. Which angles? B is equal to C, AB is equal to AC. These two sides are equal and these two angles are equal. B is equal to C, right? Angle B is equal to angle C. Okay, corresponding angles of an isosceles triangle. That is B is equal to C. These two are equal. Next, angle ABD is equal to ECF. See, consider these two triangles ABD and ECF. ECF. Okay. So B is equal to C. That we can write it as angle ABD is equal to angle ECF ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ B is equal to C. ಇವೆರಡು angles equal ಆದ್ರೆ that I can write it as ಇದನ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು? ABD is equal to ECF ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ECF that means B is equal to C. ಅವೆರಡು equal ಆಯ್ತಾ? ECF ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? Okay. And next. Triangle ABD and ECF. See, this is one triangle and this is ECF. This is another triangle. Okay. So in triangle ABD and ECF, in triangle ABD and ECF, see D is equal to F. These two angles are 90 degree. You can observe here. You can observe carefully. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು these two angles are 90 degree. That means angle D is equal to angle F. So these two are 90 degree. That I can write it as ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ angle ADB is equal to angle CFE or EFC. EFC. So D is equal to F ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? These two angles are equal. That is 90 degree. Okay. So 90 degree ಹೇಗಾಯ್ತಿದ್ದು? When AD is perpendicular to BC. So AD is perpendicular to BC. AD ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗಿದೆ, BC ಹೀಗಿದೆ. When one line is perpendicular to another line, it makes a 90 degree here. Right? Like that, when consider this is AC, here EF is perpendicular to AC. So it makes a 90 degree, it makes a right angle at point F, right? So at point D and at point F, it makes an angle 90 degree. These two angles are equal. AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC. Okay, EF is perpendicular to AC. These two forms an angle 90 degree. Therefore, these two angles are equal. Now, again, angle between ABD and ECF, between these two triangles, again ABD is equal to ECF. That means these two angles are equal. Now, adan ille ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ, but again I will write that is ABD is equal to ECF. So B and C are equal. Okay. Now, how many angles are equal? D is equal to F, this is one angle, and B is equal to C, this is another angle. Therefore, by AA criteria of a similar triangles, by AA criteria, we can say that triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ಟೂ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಟೂ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಟೂ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಕ್ರೈಟೇರಿಯಾ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ ಟೂ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಟೂ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್, ಅವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟೂ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಎ ಕ್ರೈಟೇರಿಯಾ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಡಿ ಈ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇ ಸಿ ಎಫ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ hence it is proved, right? Okay, next. If D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that triangle ADC is equal to angle BAC, show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Yes, where D is a point on side BC. See, this is D. It is on the point BC, on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that ADC is equal to BAC. That means D and A are equal. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀವೇನಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆಂಗಲ್ ADC ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ BAC ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ D is equal to B ಅಂತಂದಂಗಾಯ್ತು. D is equal to A angle. These two angles are equal. They have given. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Okay. So for that, in triangle ADC, see, ADC and BAC. Okay. In triangle, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ADC is equal to BAC. In triangle ADC and BAC and triangle BAC. Okay, ADC and BAC. See, ADC is equal to angle BAC. They have given in the question. That means these two angles are equal. ADC is equal to angle BAC. It is given. Okay, hence these two angles are equal. Next, ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು equal ಆಗತ್ತೆ? See, we are considering triangle ADC and BAC. For that, so D is equal to A ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಒಂದು angle equal ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು angle ಯಾವ್ದು equal ಆಗತ್ತೆ? ADC and BAC. That means angle C is common for both the angles, both the triangles. Okay, so triangle ADC, triangle BAC ಅಲ್ಲಿ C is common, right? Common for both the triangle. Therefore, I can say that angle ACD is equal to, see, angle ACD is equal to angle BCA. Angle BCA. This is common angle. Common angles are equal. Common angle ide. Now, again, two angles, one angle, one angle. Two angles are equal. That means by using AA criteria, we can say that triangle ADC is similar to triangle BAC. Okay. By AA criteria, we can say that triangle ADC is equal to BAC. Okay. Next. If two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides of a similar triangles are in proportion. That property we know. See, if two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides of two triangles are in proportion. So here, which two sides are corresponding sides? CA and CB. These two are corresponding sides. And CD and CA. These two are corresponding sides. So triangle BAC anta bandaga CA and CB are corresponding sides. Triangle ADC alli CA and CD are corresponding sides. Okay. Next. So corresponding sides of a similar triangles are in proportion. So ಯಾವ sides ಇದೆ? CA divided by CB is equal to CD divided by CA. CD divided by CA. Now, do cross multiplication. CA into CA is equal to CB into CD. That means CA into CA is CA square is equal to CAB into CD. So ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Hence it is proved. See here, CA square is equal to CB into CD ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Therefore, CA square is equal to CB into CD. So what we did here? We consider two triangles, that is ADC and BAC. So ನಮಗೆ D ಮತ್ತು A equal ಇದೆ ಅಂತ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Therefore, these two angles are equal. So one angle equal ಆಯ್ತು. Next ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ angle equal ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? BCA and ACD. So C is common for both the triangles. Therefore, this angle is also equal. By using AA criteria, we can say that a triangle ADC is similar to triangle BAC. When two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are in proportion, right? So ಯಾವ corresponding sides ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? CA and CB, CD and CA. These two are corresponding sides. So do cross multiplication. Then we will get CA square is equal to CB into CD, right? Next question. So this is very, very important. In an equilateral triangle, ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1/3 of BC. See, observe here. BD is 1/3 of BC. Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. This question can be asked for 4 marks. Okay. ಈ question ಅನ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ 4 marks ಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. See, this is a equilateral triangle. They have given ABC is a equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle ಅಲ್ಲಿ D ಏನಿದೆ ಇದು? D is a point on the side BC. D is a point on the side BC such that BD it divides, means BD is equal to 3 times of BC. ಹೌದಾ? Prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Solution. Yes. So in an equilateral triangle ABC, ABC is an equilateral triangle, right? In equilateral triangle, we know that all the sides are equal. So this is ABC ಅಂತಂದಾಗ AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. All sides are equal in equilateral triangle. Yes or no? Okay. If we consider AB is equal to small a, then BC is also small a and AC is also small a. That means all the sides are equal. So for that, I will write let AB is equal to BC is equal to AC is equal to A. A is the value of the side. So ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ A ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. Next, BD they have given, that is 1/3 of BC. 1/3 of BC means BD is equal to 1/3 of BC. So 1/3 of BC value is A. That means 1 into A is A divided by 3. Next, draw AE perpendicular to BC. Draw one line, that is AE is perpendicular to BC, right? Now, BE is equal to EC. BE ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ when you draw AE is perpendicular to BC, then this point E, it divides the line ABC into 2 equal parts, that is BE and EC. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? 2 equal parts ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 divided by 2 into BC. So 1 divided by 2 into BC is A divided by 2. Right? So BE andre ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? A divided by 2. EC means that is also A divided by 2. A divided by 2 means what? Half a portion of BC. DE is half portion of BC and EC is also half portion of BC, right? So that value is A divided by 2. Next, ABE, in triangle ABE, okay. See, in triangle ABE, see here E is equal to 90 degree. That means here also it is 90 degree only, right? So this is hypotenuse and this is BE and AE are two other sides of a right angle triangle. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can say that we can write it as hypotenuse AB square is equal to, this is by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. By using Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AE square BE square. Okay, AE square plus BE square. Now, we know the value of AB. AB is A, right? AC is also A and total BC is also A. Right? Total BC is also A. AB value is A. A is equal to AE square. We don't know. Right as it is. AE square is plus BE square. BE value is A by 2. Just now only we calculated, that is A by 2. BE andre enidu half portion of BC, right? Therefore, BE is A by 2 whole square. Now, AE square is equal to, transfer this A by 2 whole square to this side, A square minus A square divided by 4. 2 square means it is 4. A square means it is A square. So take LCM. 4 is the LCM. 1 into 4, A into A square into 4. That is 4A square minus A square divided by 4. That means 4A square minus A square is 3A square divided by 4 you will get. So this is the value of AE. 3A square divided by 4 is the value of AE square. AE value is, this is the value of AE square. But what is the value of AE? AE antandaga square root of, so AE is equal to square root of 3A square. 3A square divided by 4, right? So root 3 is not a perfect square number. So write as it is A square. So square root of A square is A. 2 square root of 4 is 2. Therefore, root 3A divided by 2 you will get. This is the value of AE. How the value of AE square is 3A square divided by 4. Value of AE is root 3 into A divided by 2. Now, DE is equal to. Okay, so namge illi AE sikkaita. Next DE anta ide illi. So DE can be calculated by using BE minus BD. ಈ BE ಅನ್ನ DE ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? BE minus BD ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ DE ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So BE minus BD is equal to, what is the value of BE? BE ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? A by 2. Okay, so ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ BE value ಎಷ್ಟು? A by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. BE is A by 2 minus BD value is A by 3. See, BD value is A by 3. Okay, now 2 and 3 LCM is 6. 3A minus 2A. That is 3A minus 2A is A divided by 6. So this is the value of DE. A divided by 6 ಏನಿದು? ಇದು DE value ಅಲ್ವಾ? So DE value ಏನಾಯಿತು? A divided by 6 ಆಯಿತು. Now, in triangle ADE. So in triangle ADE ಅಲ್ಲಿ, okay, angle AED is 90 degree. Okay, AE is 90 degree here. Now, by using Pythagoras theorem, AD is hypotenuse. So AD square is equal to DE square plus AE square, right? Or AE square plus DE square. AD square, AD value we don't know. So write as it is. AD square is equal to AE value is root 3A divided by 2. Root 3A divided by 2 whole square, because this is square is the AE square. So AE value is root 3A divided by 2 whole square plus DE. DE value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ. ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. DE value is A divided by 6. Okay, A divided by 6 whole square, right? Root 3 square is 3. A square is A square. 2 square is 4, right? 3A square divided by 4 plus A square divided by 6 square is 36. Now 4 and 36 LCM is 36, right? So 36 andre 4 9s are 36. So here also you will multiply 9. 3 into 9 is 27a square plus a square divided by 36 is the LCM. 27a square plus a square. It is 28a square divided by 36. Right? Next. Four nines are 36. 4 sevens are 28. Right? Again, it will not get divided. So, right, 7a square divided by 9. Okay. So, AD square is equal to 7a square divided by 9. What is the value of A? A anta ನಾವು ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ? A ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ AB, right? AB. So, in place of A, I will write it as AB. In place of A, I will write AB. Therefore, AD square is equal to 7 divided by 9. AD square is equal to 7 divided by 9. A square is AB square. Now transfer this 9 to this side. That is 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. Understood? So this question can be asked for 4 marks. Yes, dear students, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? This is equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle ಅಂತ ಒಂದು hint ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Next what they have given, D is a point on C. Okay, ಅದನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ AD is perpendicular to C. So D ಇದು BC ಯ ಮೇಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Then BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. Okay. Now, ABC is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, all sides are equal. Consider the AB is equal to A, BC is equal to A, and AC is equal to A. BD value is BC divided by 3. That is A divided by 3. Draw AE is perpendicular to BC. Then, it makes 90 degree at point E. Okay. Now, ABE is equal to EC. So, EC means what? BE means what? BC divided by 2. See here, BE is half of BC and EC is also half of BC. Therefore, it is A by 2. Now, by using Pythagoras theorem, AE square is equal to A square minus A divided by 2 whole square. So, in triangle, ABE. So, AB square is equal to BE square plus AE square. So here I did, that is the value of AE is root 3A divided by 2. Now DE can be defined by BE minus BD. BE value is A divided by 2, BD value is A divided by 3. If you take LCM, then LCM is 6. So the 3A minus 2A divided by 6, that is A divided by 6. Now in triangle ADE, so here E is 90 degree. And by using Pythagoras theorem, AD square is equal to DE square plus AE square, right? AE square, AE value is root 3A divided by 2 whole square plus DE value is A by 6 whole square. So, if you do the calculation, you will get AD square is equal to 7 divided by 9 AB square. Why AB square? So, 7A square divided by 9, we will get A value is AB. ನಾವು ಎ ಬಿ ಎ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಎ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಬಿ. ಸೊ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. Therefore, AD square is equal to 7 by 9 AB square. Transfer this 9 to this side. 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. So this question can be asked for 4 marks. Next, in the given figure, CD is parallel to LA and DE is parallel to AC. Find the length of CL if BE is 4 centimeter and EC is equal to 2 centimeter. They have given. Okay. Next. So in the figure ABL, CD is parallel to LA and DE is parallel to AC. Yes. So solution in triangle ABL, CD is parallel to AL. This line is parallel to this line, right? When in a triangle, one line is parallel to third side, then we can use BPT. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು BPT ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. By BPT we can say that triangle ABL is in triangle ABL, CD is perpendicular, CD is parallel to AL. Then other two sides are BD divided by DA, BEC divided by CL. So we are considering full triangle here. Therefore, BD divided by DA and BC divided by CL. Now, in triangle ABC, so now we consider madidre. Here DE is parallel to AC, right? DE is parallel to AC. Now, again BD divided by DA by using BPT, BD divided by DA and BE divided by EC. Okay. Now, call this as equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So, by using equation 1 and 2, this is also by BPT or Thales theorem. This is also by BPT, basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. From 1 and 2, BD divided by DA and BD divided by DA will get cancelled. BC divided by CL is equal to BE divided by EC. Now, BC means what? BC is the value of BE plus EC. Right? BC ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದು? ಇದು BE plus EC divided by CL is equal to BE divided by EC. BE value they have given, that is 4. BE is equal to 4. EC value is 2 centimeter. So BE is 4. 4 plus EC is 2 divided by CL. CL we don't know, right as it is. BE is equal to BE divided by EC. BE value is 4. EC value is 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 4 plus 2 is 6 is equal to 6 divided by CL is equal to 2. Now transfer the CL to this side. 6 is equal to 2 CL. Now transfer this 2 to this side. CL is equal to 6 divided by 2. That is 2 ones are 2 threes are there. Therefore, CL is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay. CL is 3 centimeter. Now, in figure, DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. DE is parallel to OQ. See, observe carefully. DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to QR. OR show that EF is parallel to QR it is. Okay, EF is parallel to QR. Where is EF? EF illide, QR illide. So ನಮಗೆ ED ಮತ್ತೆ OQ parallel ಆಗಿದೆ. DF and OR parallel ಆಗಿದೆ. So ಇವೆರಡು parallel ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು? EF is parallel to QR ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. So for that, in triangle PQO. Okay, so ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಈ DE is parallel to OQ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ consider triangle OPQ. So consider this triangle. ಇದು ಹೇಗಿದೆ? ಹೇಗಿದೆ? Right. So here P, O, sorry, this is O, this is Q, and this is E. This is D. Okay. Now, DE is parallel to OQ. In triangle PQO, DE is parallel to OQ. This is given. So, again, by using BPT, so ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ basic proportionality theorem ನೆನಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So, by using BPT, we can say that these two sides are divided in the same ratio. That is PD divided by DO is equal to PE divided by EQ, right? See, PD divided by DO is equal to PE divided by EQ. These two are divided in the same ratio by Thales theorem. Call this as equation number 1 by Thales theorem, or you can say it is by BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Next, another thing they have given, that is DF is parallel to OR. For that, you need to consider this triangle. ಯಾವ triangle consider ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ? POR, right? This is P, O and R. Here DF is parallel to OR. Right? Here also, when the line is parallel to third side, it divides other two sides in the same ratio. That means here also we can use BPT or Thales theorem. By BPT, PD divided by DO is equal to PF divided by FR, right? So, PD divided by DO is equal to PF divided by FR. Call this as equation number 2. This is also by BPT. Okay. Now, PD divided by DO and PD divided by DO, these two will get cancelled. What you will get, PE divided by EQ is PE divided by EQ is equal to PF divided by FR, right? PE divided by EQ is equal to PF divided by FR from equation 1 and 2. So, PE divided by EQ. Where is PE divided by EQ? PE is here, EQ is here. Okay, and PF divided by FR. So, when the other two sides are divided in the same ratio, then we can say that the line is parallel to the third side. That is, EF is parallel to Q1. This is by converse of BPT. We can say that EF is parallel to Q1. Right? So in triangle PQR, EF is parallel to QR. Okay, by using converse of BPT, we can say that EF is parallel to QR. Okay, this line is parallel to the third side, then it divides other two sides in the same ratio, that is BPT. Or when the two sides are in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. This is converse of BPT. Okay. EF is parallel to Q. Okay. Next. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O such that AO divided by BO is equal to CO divided by DO. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. Okay. Means show that ABCD is a trapezium anta kottidare namge. But ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ABCD intersect each other at point O. That means AC and BD are diagonals, right? So ABCD ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಾಪೆಜಿಯಂ ಅಂತ ಶೋ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ, ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಾಪೆಜಿಯಂ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ, ABCD is a trapezium, AC and BD are diagonals. These two diagonals intersect at a point O, right? Next, AO divided by BO is equal to CO divided by DO. Next, show that ABCD is a trapezium. Yes, what they have given in ABCD, we don't know whether it is trapezium or not. Okay, so just to consider it is a quadrilateral. In quadrilateral ABCD, AC and BD are diagonals. That two diagonals intersect at point O such that AO divided by BO is equal to CO divided by DO. This is given. Or you can say it is a data. Okay, this is given. Next, what to prove? To prove ABCD is a trapezium anta now prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ABCD is a trapezium. Next, for our convenience, we will make one construction. That is, EO is, draw EO through O such that EO is parallel to AB. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಒಂದು ಡಾಟೆಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋಣ. EO ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ EO is parallel to AB. ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? EO is parallel to AB ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಯೂಸ್ ಏನು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. In triangle DAB, consider the triangle DAB. Okay, this is D, this is A, this is B. Okay, here EO is parallel to AB. See, this is EO. EO is parallel to AB. That means the line is parallel to the third side. Here also we can use BPT. Okay, by Thales theorem or BPT, we can say that ED divided by AE, right? See, ED divided by AE is equal to DO divided by BO. These two are other two sides, right? ED divided by, ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಥೇಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆವಾಗ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, when the line is parallel to the third side, we can say that the other two sides are in the same ratio. Other two sides ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? AE divided by AE, ED divided by AE or AE divided by ED ಅಂತಾನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ED divided by AE ಮತ್ತೆ DO divided by BO by using BPT. Next, take reciprocal. ಇದನ್ನ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? AE divided by ED is equal to DO divided by BO ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ BO divided by DO ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. Similarly, AO divided by BO is equal to CO divided by DO. That is given. Okay. So this is given. AO divided by BO is equal to BO divided by AO divided by BO is equal to CO divided by DO. It is given. Next, transfer this CO to this side, BO to this side. Again, barate AO divided by CO is equal to BO divided by DO. Right? Now, call this as equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2, 1 is AE divided by ED and BO divided by DO. Second equation is AO divided by CO is equal to BO divided by DO. Here also BO divided by DO is there. Here also BO divided by DO is there. So it will get cancelled. AE divided by ED is equal to AO divided by CO will remain, right? ಇವೆರಡು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. AE divided by ED is equal to AO divided by CO. This is from equation 1 and 2. So, where is AE? AE divided by ED. See, AE divided by ED is equal to AO divided by CO. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ಫುಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ. ಈ ಫುಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹೇಗಿದೆ? ಹೀಗಿದೆ. Right? This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay. So here you are drawing one line EO. So observe carefully. Now this EO is parallel to AB and ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Now observe here. Here also EO is parallel to DC. EO DC ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. EO AB ಗೂ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ DC ಗೂ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? So EO is parallel to both AB and DC ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು? AB is parallel to DC ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? See, EO is parallel to AB and EO is parallel to DC. That means AB is parallel to DC. Right? EO is parallel to both AB and DC. That means AB is parallel to CD. Okay? Therefore, AB is parallel to DC. When the opposite sides are parallel or pair of one sides, that means opposite sides are parallel, then we can say that this is a this is a trapezium. ಹೌದಾ? Trapezium ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Opposite sides parallel ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Therefore, AB and CD are opposite sides here. When these two sides are parallel, then we can say that ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, this is a trapezium. Next. A vertical pole of a length 6 meter casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. Okay. So what they have given, one pole is there. A pole ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಬ ಇದೆ. Pole height ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? That is 6 meter. Okay. ಇದೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ? It casts a shadow that is 4 meter long on the ground at the same time. Long on the, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪೋಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಪೋಲ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಶಾಡೋ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಶಾಡೋ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 4 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್. ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಶಾಡೋ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 4 ಮೀಟರ್ ಲಾಂಗ್. ಅಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎ ಟವರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಶಾಡೋ. ಒಂದು ಟವರ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಟವರ್ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಶಾಡೋವನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. That shadow is of 28 meter long on the ground. Find the height of the tower. So this height we want. Okay, this is the tower and tower height H we don't know. So we need to find out the height of the tower. For that, ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಇದನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. This is ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ? 2 triangles we get. Now, call this as triangle ABC. and this is triangle DEF, or you can say it is a PQR. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Now, see, observe, at angle at point B, it makes an angle 90 degree. At point B, see, at point B, it makes an angle 90 degree. That means angle B is equal to angle E. ಹೌದಾ? When it is a 90 degree, other two sides ಎಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು? This is 45 degree, this is 45 degree, this is 45 degree, this is 45 degree, right? So ಆವಾಗ then it will be 180 degree. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು 45 ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದು 45 ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 45, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 45. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ what we can say that these two triangles are similar, right? These two triangles ABC and DEF are similar ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So length of the vertical pole AB, vertical pole AB of length 6 meter, length of the shadow cast by a pole BC, that is 4 meter, and length of the shadow cast by the tower, that is EF 28 meter. ಒಂದು tower form ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ shadow ಯಾವುದು? EF, that is 28 meter. Okay, pole form ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ shadow 4 meter, that is BC. Now, the length of the height of the tower DE is H meter. We don't know, so now we'll consider it as H meter. Now, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, okay, angle C is equal to angle F. So, what I told, angle C is equal to angle F, because this is 45 degree, this is 45 degree. Okay, and angle B is equal to angle E, that is 90 degree. Now, by using AA similarity criteria or AAA similarity criteria, we can say that these two triangles are similar, right? So, these two triangles are similar ಅಂದಾಗ corresponding sides ಯಾವುದಾಗತ್ತೆ? AB divided by DE, right? Corresponding sides are AB divided by DE is equal to BC divided by EF, right? These two are corresponding sides, and AC divided by DF. So, ನಮ್ಮ values ಯಾವ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ? AB and BC, but we need to find out DE. So, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು DE divided by EF. DE ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ corresponding ಆಗಿದೆ? AB ಗಾಗಿದೆ. So, BC by EF, AB divided by DE. Now, AB value is 6, DE value is H, we don't know. BC value is 4, EF value is 28. Now, transfer this 28 to this side, 6 into 28, right? 6 into 28 divided by 4. ಇದು ಹೇಗಾಗತ್ತೆ? H ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, 28 ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಅದು 6 into 28 is equal to 4 into H. Now transfer 4 to this side. 6 into 28 divided by 4 is equal to H. So 4 ones are 7s. So 6 sevens are 42 meter. Therefore, height of the tower, H is height of the tower. Height of the tower is 42 meter. Right? Next. See, this is another question. In figure, altitudes AD and CE of ABC intersect each other at point P. Okay. Show that triangle AEP, where is AEP? AEP is similar to CDP. Okay, this small triangle is similar to this small triangle. ABD, big triangle is similar to CBD. Okay, CBE, okay. ABD, CBE. Next, AEP is similar to ADB. AEP is similar to ADB. Small triangle is similar to big triangle. Triangle PDC is similar to BEC. Okay, so this triangle. In triangle, so first ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? In triangle AEP and CDP ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So first consider the triangle AEP and CDP. So angle AEP and CDP, angle APE is equal to CPD, because these two are vertically opposite angles. ಸೊ ಪಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ವರ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. Next, angle E is equal to angle D. So these two are 90 degree. That means these two angles are also equal. So how many angles are equal? Two angles are equal. So by using AA similarity criteria, we can say that triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Okay. Next, in triangle ABD and CBE, see, observe here, ABD, so this triangle, and CBE again D is equal to E. So B E ಮತ್ತೆ D ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So E is equal to D. These two are triangle. These two angles are 90 degree. Therefore, these two angles are equal. Next, angle B is common for both the triangle. Therefore, this angle is also equal. Therefore, angle ABD is equal to angle CBE. Now, by using, again, two angles are equal. By using AA criteria, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Next, in triangle AEP, this small triangle is similar to ADB. So, big triangle. Again, E and D ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. See, E and D. These two angles are 90 degree. Therefore, these two angles are equal. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಟೂ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? A ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆನಾ? See, AEP and ADB. So, A is common for both the triangle. Therefore, these two angles are equal. Therefore, again, one angle, two angles are equal. By using AA criteria, these two triangles are similar. Next one. In triangle PDC and BEC. PDC and BEC. Here also D ಮತ್ತೆ E ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಂತ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ PDC. See, D and E are equal. So one angle equal ಆಯ್ತು. D is equal to E. That is 90 degree. So ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿತೀವಿ? Angle PDC is equal to angle BEC. Angle PDC is equal to angle BEC. These two angles are equal. Next, angle C is common. That is angle PCD is equal to angle BCE. So C is common for both the triangle. Therefore, C is common angle. Here also two angles are equal. Therefore, by using AA criteria, we can say that triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. So, ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ 4 marks. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ 2 marks ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. 1 ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 1 mark ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay. So now this question is for 4. Okay. Yes, my dear children, whatever we have discussed, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, 2 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಥೇರಮ್ಸ್. ನಾನು ಥೇರಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಥೇರಮ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ಥೇರಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಥೇರಮ್ಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಬಿಡಿಸಿಲ್ಲ, ಥೇರಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಥೇರಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇದು ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬಹುದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Okay, study well. All the best, my dear students. Okay, thank you very much.